you need to master your craft. If we take the example of, I remember seeing an interview of Cheryl Strayed, I think, and she was saying that, so she's an author, and she was saying that she has wanted to be a writer for I don't know how long, but then at some point, because she needed to pay the bills, so she was working as a server, but she was writing on the side, and it can be very discouraging if you're here hoping that, okay, I'm gonna break through with this thing that I want to do. But she was saying, oh, I was so interested in mastering the craft. For me, that was more important than making money with it. And so she worked on her writing and she improved things. And at some point, now she felt that she was qualified to start reaching out to other people and writing for professional articles and things like that. But first, she wanted to master the craft. And so, for example, if you want to be a pianist, I don't know, a piano player, I don't know how you say that. And if you're not 30 and you have enough time to learn about the piano, you will need to practice a lot to master the craft before you can apply to be to play as a professional. So you need to master your craft, whether it's being an actress or being a piano player or being a writer or being an athlete. Yeah, if you want to go to the Olympics, those people usually they have started at a young age because it demands a lot of discipline. And so you see, mastering your craft is very important. And so do that work to make sure that you become really good at what you want to do, and then you can move on from there.